reaction between Sahi or what was the reaction when the script was offered to Kamal Express? Harshit.
I got to know about the script quite some time back. Since I know Kabir and he had narrated the script to me a long time back, and he asked me if I was very happy with it. I thought it was a great script, and I also knew it was a difficult movie. So yes, I like the script from the start.
Yeah, the same. I heard about the script. Kabir came and he met me, and he's saying, "Would you rather that I narrate it, or would you rather that you read it?" So I said, "I'll read it," and I just immediately read it, and I fell in love with it. And at a reading level also, it's such a beautiful script, and it's translated so beautifully on screen.
Was Kabir's background, which the work he has done, was one of the factors why you did this movie? Was the experience which he carries?
No, I didn't know what Kabir really did when I was offered the script. I just loved the script in itself, and I just had a gut feel that it'll be great. And fortunately for me, it worked out beautifully.
I was aware of what Kabir does, and I was also aware of the fact that this was more or less his life and what he's gone through. And I knew Kabir, so as I said, I was confident that he'll make a good film because the simple logic that if a person can conceive a story like that, and when you read a script, you more or less get the idea of or the potential of a director, of his sensibility, and that came across in the script. So I was sure he'll make a good film.
You had a tough time where you were ill and too much of sand there. Plus, I think if I'm not mistaken, food was also a factor which came into play. So was it very, very tough for you, John?
Yeah, it was physically very tough for me, very very tough. But we had a lot of fun. I enjoyed a lot, and I actually felt sick towards the fag end of the movie, where I really felt sick. And I told Kabir that I think I can shoot for maybe 3 days more, and then my body is going to give way. And I think exactly after that period of time, the body just gave way completely.
Harshit, you saw that coming?
John, yeah, actually, but the thing was, one of the reasons that 90%, in fact, most everybody in the crew, they all meat eaters. John does not eat meat, and all you get over there is meat. Uh, you serve your food from the main dish into your plate, and it freezes over there.
Yeah.
His food was coming from half an hour away, so there was too many aspects to all that. The conditions are not very comfortable. You have to be an Afghani to live in Afghanistan. People from outside will have tough time.
Were there any threats also?
Well, there were some security issues, but I think Yashraj and the Afghan government handled them very well. And I think as far as our shooting went, I didn't see a single problem on the set. But to be honest, there were some serious, very serious security issues. Now it depends on how you look at it and how you want to address it. We had the option of addressing it right from the start of our shoot and use it as a publicity, gimmick for this movie, or we had the option of really just using it when much needed to let people know what we went through just before the release. So we've decided to do it now when people ask us. Yes,
Well,
there was an issue.
it's curious because people got to know about it. So now questions are being asked. Were
Exactly.
there threats? Because
Not once have we really mentioned
it
that.
came in the news anyway. So yeah, there were serious threats.
Seriously.
Specific to you as an actor, back of your mind.
Yeah, as I always mentioned, the thing was the journey we used to take from our hotel to the location. That journey used to be approximately 45 minutes, sometimes an hour and a half,
I know.
sometimes yeah. So that journey was the dangerous part because there you couldn't do much.
You didn't know where you're going from.
You had no idea where you're going. You had no idea who's going to come from where. You're passing a marketplace full of people. So it's that's tough. But once you reach location, it felt much safer.
Okay, if you see the movies, there are some dialogues of same, when while you're traveling, you both are conversing, you say you're afraid of something or you're caught by somebody. So was it when you were traveling, you also, developed that chemistry and dialogues came from your side?
Well, I think very honestly, when you're put in a very difficult situation, the first thing you do is crack a joke and laugh.
Yeah, it
And I think we just translated that into the movie.
So if you see me laughing a lot in the movie, you know what's going on in my head.
John, your favorite scene of this?
There's scenes in the movie. My favorite scenes in the movie are mostly what Arshad has shot and what Hangam has done. Hangam is the Afghani actor. And there are some scenes between Arshad and the Talibani, the Pakistani, Salman Shahid, which are brilliant. So, I mean, if you ask me to pick out one scene, I really think it's when Arshad picks up the gun and he points it, and there's a certain dialogue that he has, which I don't want to reveal right now. When you watch the movie, the audience will fall off their seats laughing. So
That's the part of the script. John's there's one sequence in the car where he's given out his feelings about cricket. You have to hear that. That's quite wonderful. Many of the scenes where you see his character is sensitive and intense, okay, and that he's done it beautifully. So he's maintained his character throughout the film. There are certain conversations that we have, which I've enjoyed, which are very odd. Like there's a part where John is standing and there's this Afghan looking at John's butt, and I tell him that Sohail अपना jacket नीचे कर, and very casually he says, क्यों? पूछना पड़ेगा, क्यों? You know those are the things.
yeah,
that
it's lovely.
Face there.
Well, not all Indian movies.
no.
Kabul Expresses.
No, actors are.
Oh, in
Amitabh
Afghanistan, Amitabh Bachchan. I think after God, it's Amitabh Bachchan.
You
We've also heard that there are saloons which copy your hairstyle, go there especially.
No, that's what Kabir did mention. There was in Herat, there was a John Ibrahim haircutting salon.
No, he's got his first photographs are there behind. You'll find behind every Prado, second Prado gypsy that goes, SUV that goes. You see John's photograph.
No, but there I
John
think,
John is selling lungis there, kaftans, guns, ammunition, haircut. They're crazy about.
but I think the fact that they love Hindi movies comes out from when Mr. Bachchan shot Khuda Gawah. They actually stopped the war for 12 hours so he could finish his shoot. And now that's the level of. It's crazy. It's unreal.
Now the album has come and it's picking up like crazy. I mean, it's such a crazy. Every song is picking up. Which one is your favorite song?
I think Kabul Fiza we both like, and there's the other song which
I like the soundtrack, which is Julius Packer.
The background score I rated as good
amongst
as
International.
A Beautiful Mind. No.
Gladiator.
And I mean it. It is that's the standard.
I think it's the best background
Outstanding.
music we have heard
Ever.
in Hindi cinema ever.
So far. Brilliant.
Till date.
Okay.
Brilliant.
This can be a little difficult one. Kabir के अलावा कोई मुझे बता सकता है?
नहीं बिकॉज मेरे ख्याल से वो एक्सपीरियंस जो कबीर को है इस उस लाइफ का वो एक्सपीरियंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वो अफ़गानिस्तान को समझना और हम लोगों के कैरेक्टर्स को समझना इट्स नॉट यू कांट डू इट.
I think it's impossible for anybody. Nobody can. Just Kabir.
Finally, did you meet Osama?
हाँ yes we did.
And
You will see him in the
movie.
film.
Yeah. We did meet Osama.
Was it scary?
He was.
But that's the whole idea. There's a lot of
As in, he was not scary. He was scary. He was scared of us. We were scary for him. No, just kidding. There's Osama there. Osama bin Laden.